finally we are off to Leh with a good friend of mine, Rohit, for some travel assignment sort of a thing. Rohit, what are you looking forward to in Leh?
I think that when inhabitants of a place feel cold, they're supposed to go to a warmer climate and not to any
Correct.
colder climate altogether.
So why are we going there?
Because we're idiots and we're gonna die. But okay, at least I have Bobby with me, so I'm gonna look good while dying. So it's okay.
Fantastic, guys. So we are about to take off for Leh. Guys, you see the view outside, it is beautiful. I mean, I have been to Leh numerous times, but I'm coming to Leh for the first time in an airplane, and this view is majestic. I'm sure you guys have not seen such a view. I mean, this is amazing, too good. My friend Rohit is busy taking pictures and taking videos and stuff. So is everybody in the flight. At the Leh airport after quite a bit of turbulence and some awesome views. I'm sure the audio is not audible at all, but can't help it.
स्वागत है आपकी जानकारी के बाद और -8
So it is -8 right now, guys. It is -8. So we have landed in Leh. This is the view of Leh airport. It is -8 right now, but we feel pretty okay. So we are moving towards the
Hotel
exit now, and from there we'll take a cab to the hotel, or that is what the plan is. So we are taking a taxi to the Grand Dragon Hotel. That is where we are booked, and it is cold, but we are fine actually. At least till now we are fine. We are not really having any breathlessness, no nausea, definitely no vomiting or headache. This is our room at the Grand Dragon Hotel, room number 303, and this is the view outside our room. Look at this. This is fucking amazing. I'm sorry for the slang, but you know, when you see the Himalayas, you get so fucking excited that all you can say is what I'm saying right now. Amazing, beautiful room, gorgeous view. I'll just show you the room, how the room is. Pretty decent, I would say. Comfortable beds, pretty big dressing mirror, and a nice shower place and a bathroom. I'll show you the view again. There you go. It's amazing. Amazing. After enjoying the view, I think it's time to have some coffee. I cannot leave coffee wherever I am. I mean, I need to have coffee. It doesn't matter how good or bad, but coffee is coffee. So although this is not latte or a cappuccino, but that's okay. I mean, I'm not complaining. रोहित कितना डालूं? हाफ कप?
बस 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 बस.
There you go. Rohit is calling his parents. I've just called my dad. Time to enjoy the coffee with this view. So we are going to have breakfast right now. Wow, this looks beautiful. This is the place where we are going to have our breakfast. We have juices, we have cornflakes, we have different food choices. Okay, so we are having our breakfast here. Different stuff. Rohit is right here with me. His second time in Leh. I don't know how many times I've been here. And this is the view that we have. It is -10, -11 right now, but since we have that itch, we have that itch to do things which we haven't done before, like having breakfast outside when there is nobody here, not a single soul, at -11 degrees Celsius. Amazing. I'm sure we're gonna have great breakfast. So the omelets are here. We had ordered cheese omelets.
Thank you.
Our beautiful cheese omelets are here. Parveen Bhaiya has gotten us cheese omelets. Thank you, Parveen Bhaiya. Beautiful view, tasty breakfast. What else do I need from the Himalayas? Cheers, guys. Let's have breakfast and then we'll move on to rest of the good stuff. Hi, guys. It's 1:30 in the afternoon. Our first day in Leh, and we checked into the hotel at about 9:15 or something, because our flight was bang on time. Kudos to Go Air for that. And we had our breakfast, we rested for a while, and now we are out of the hotel, walking on the empty roads of the Leh city. As you can see, there's nobody. So this is the Grand Dragon Ladakh, where we are staying for today and tomorrow. So we are back in the hotel premises after taking a walk outside in the road. Nothing much to see really right now, and there is fresh snow here at the hotel lawn. Rigzin is essentially telling us the difference between people of the plains and the Himalayas.
बिल्कुल ये एक्चुअली क्या है, वो जो है हेवी उस खाना की वजह से होता है. हमारे बेड टाइम नहीं है. और अब ये फॉरनर है, देखो आपको 3 टाइम से ज्यादा खाएगा नहीं. हमारे क्या खाता है, सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट हेवी खा लिया, उसके बाद थोड़ा देर के बाद चल दिया, चाय भी पी ली, चाय के साथ पकौड़े भी खा लिए, चाय के साथ पकौड़े, जलेबी कुछ भी खा लिया.
So after a drive of about 7 to 10 minutes, we've reached Shanti Stupa. I'll introduce you to Rigzin in a while. Rigzin is the chap who essentially takes you to places during this harsh winter, and the entire route to Shanti Stupa is filled with black ice and snow, and there is nobody. I remember when we came last in the summers, it was filled with people and traffic, but right now there is no people, there is no traffic. There's nobody essentially. There is just snow and there is just us. So all we have got here is the much famed white gold. It's like a powder, You run your hands through it and you feel cold, but it is amazing. And at -10 you are anyways cold. So it is absolutely fine to run your fingers, when you run your hands through the white gold. And this view is what you would kill for, man. This is pure magic. I've been here during the summers, and this place takes a completely different angle altogether during the winters. It's February 2017, and 2 idiots are here. Rohit is dancing because he likes how Leh looks at this time of the year. You can see him dancing there. I am, of course, jumping with joy. I can't show you right now because I'm shooting the view and showing you this view. But it is amazing. Let's now move towards the stupa, which is barely 100 meters that way. And there is the Shanti Stupa. It feels so good to be back here. I was here in the summers, and now in the winters it is completely different. You know what? Walking on the snow is probably one of the best things that you can do in your life. Just hear that sound. As your footsteps over the fresh snow, it makes this amazing sound which no microphone can capture. You have to be here to actually experience it all. I'm not sure whether the microphone is picking the wind noise, but it is so quiet. I'll just shut up for a moment and let you experience the peace. So we are just done with Shanti Stupa. Now we are moving back towards our vehicle, towards Rigzin's vehicle rather, and we'll be going to Leh Palace. And it is a very surreal sort of a feeling, you know, coming back here in just a span of a few months, but the entire place is changed. I've never been to Leh in this kind of a weather. But I think now that we are here and we have made a sort of a pact that we should come back every year during this month when the winter is at its harshest. So now we are off to the Leh Palace, and there is Rigzin. Amazing guy. Rigzin, आपको कितना साल हो गया ये करते हुए?
मेरा हो गया तकरीबन 16 साल हो गया.
वाओ, 16 साल से आप कर रहे हो. पसंद है ना? अच्छा लगता है?
ट्रैवल ये गाड़ी क्या?
नहीं, हाँ, जो कर रहे हो काम.
टैक्सी का जो
हाँ.
ठीक ही लगे. क्या करेंगे, आप काम ही नहीं है तो ऐसे ही करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, 16 साल से यही कर रहे हो ना? Amazing. The Shanti Stupa is, the Leh Palace is closed apparently because they shut down at 4 p.m. That's what he said. Maybe because there is nobody, and he was a little shocked seeing us walking towards the palace. But nonetheless, the views inside and outside are equally marvelous.
लाल बोर्ड दिख रहा है? हाँ. उसी के नीचे जो.
So Rigzin is telling us about the different restaurants in the market.
चलो ठीक है.
So we'll see Rigzin tomorrow. ठीक है Rigzin?
Okay.
कल मिलते हैं.
Okay, good night.
Good night. So we are bidding Rigzin good night for today.
Bye. Good night तो नहीं है, फिर भी good night. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
8:30 बजे. ठीक है जी. 8:30 बजे मिलते हैं. अरे पहुंच जाएंगे. दिल्ली के जवान लड़के कहीं पहुंच जाएंगे.
Bye Rigzin. So we have come to the Tibetan Friends Corner. Apparently they serve one of the best local Tibetan food. So that's what we have ordered.
चिकन नहीं मिलता.
Yes, यहाँ पे chicken नहीं मिलता है. So what we have ordered is of course they serve hot water. Is it piping hot?
It is piping hot.
Wow, it is literally really hot. So what we have ordered is a mutton noodle soup, mutton momos, and a hot chocolate for me. So my hot chocolate is here, guys, and this is how it looks like. As a matter of fact, it's Bournvita mixed into, I think, what is milk. It's really hot, but let me just taste it. Wow, this is really nice. I mean, and given the kind of the weather that we have, it's about minus 13 odd right now outside. It feels really heavenly, really perfect for this kind of weather. So the mutton momos are here. They look all right. I mean, I don't expect some superb taste or something, but they look edible. How is the mutton soup, Rohit?
It's pretty average, to be honest. I mean, Obviously, we didn't really expect 5-star food
Exactly.
in a shady looking cafe altogether, but then it's palatable, it's hot, it's warm.
That is all we need.
That's all we need right now.
Okay, guys. So I think we'll quickly eat up our food and then walk back to our hotel because Rigzin has bid us goodbye for today, and the temperature is clearly. We are back in the room and we are living the life, guys. There is the view, the beautiful Himalayas with Kung Fu Panda running on HBO. Well, movie has just finished. We're waiting for the next movie to begin, which is an even better movie, Transformers: Dark of the Moon. And here is my travel buddy Rohit, and we are having a game. I mean, Rohit, isn't it what we had come for?
This is absolutely what we came for. We came here to chill and enjoy. We're chilling and enjoying.
So there you go, guys. We are chilling and enjoying. But what I love most is that fantastic view, man. Amazing. Beautiful room. So if you're ever in Leh, doesn't matter what season you are in, and if you are looking for a really, really great place to stay, irrespective of the budget, please come to the Grand Dragon, right? The Grand Dragon, and stay here for at least a couple of nights and enjoy the beautiful hospitality. Okay, guys, we had our dinner and everything is sorted. It's 10 o'clock almost, and it's time to sleep and wrap up day one of our Leh trip. Rohit is fast asleep, as you can see behind me. So the day one included a flight to Leh, of course, and then going to places like Leh Palace, which had already closed down by the time we reached, which was 4 p.m. And then going to Shanti Stupa, of course, and photographing the entire Leh, essentially, as much as I could. It was not accessible, that's what Rigzin told us. Khardungla is not advisable because of all the snow that the roads have. So I think what we'll plan to do is drive to Lamayuru and then create some stunning pictures of the entire landscape. That is the plan. Cheers, guys. Thank you so much for being with us on day one, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. Time to sleep, time to go to that comfortable bed. I think it's waiting for me. Good night, guys. Thank you so much.